Let's take a look at how you can filter a report in Thrive. We're going to go into the report section and let's look at a maintenance report today. And so you can see on this report 3001 that we're going to open up, it's completed work orders, and it's filtered today. It says based on completion date in the last 90 days. So let's say we want to change that and create a new report that filters something different. So we're going to go ahead and open this report up. And once we're in this report, we're going to click on the wizard. The wizard's where you can go in and modify and improve or change reports. And what I like to do right off the bat is change my naming structure. So if this is the last 90 days and we're going to change it to the last 180 days, let's go ahead and rename it right away under the General tab. Then we're going to move to the filtering. And you can see right now it's filtered of a completion date in the last 90 days. We're going to change this filtering. And in this case, it has a quick menu, a quick drop-down menu. So I'll show you how you can do it with that. You can just click the menu, and we can find the last 180 days, for instance. And at that point, we'd hit save, and that'll change our filter. So now you'll see the filter says a completion date of the last 90 days. If we go ahead and change in there again, sometimes there's advanced filters that you're going to want to use that are not part of the quick drop-down. You can go to advanced filtering. And within advanced filtering, you can pick what you want. So in this case, we said last completion date. So we're going to go ahead in here and find last completion date. So we have a completion date, and we can have this be the same pick list of what we want. So if we want it in 180 days, you can see that's been selected, but we can change it to whatever it is that we want. We can pick in between dates. We could pick if it's before a certain date, if it's in a date range, if I want to see what happened in the month of July, whatever it is that we're looking to change the filtering from. Once we do that, we'd go ahead and hit save. In this case, I'll push cancel because we've already changed it. Now that we've changed the filter, we have a couple of options. If it's your report, you'll be able to save over it and just have that new report. So we'd have gotten rid of the 90-day and it would be a 180-day. In this case, what we're wanting to do is create both. We'll keep the 90-day, and since this was not my original report as a user logged in, I cannot save over somebody else's report. So in this case, I'm having to open it and save it as a new report. So we'll go ahead and do that. And you'll notice a couple things. It's going to give us the last 180-day information. It's changed it. We could have changed the title also to reflect the last 180 days. And the other thing that you'll notice is that if I click on this little button, it's going to show me the info for it. So you can see that the report ID has now changed from 3001 to 20,165. So it's a new report within your system. That's how you change